Hi everyone and welcome back to Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides. Today in this video, I'm unveiling my 7th vehicle Hot Wheels haul that I've just got from Kmart. Okay, today's haul may be smaller than some of our giant collections, but it's packed with superheroes, villains, exotic supercars, and of course, emergency rescue action. We've got an awesome Hot Wheels Batman 5-pack, a beautiful Gordon Murray Automotive T.33, and the heroic 5-alarm rescue truck. So let's unveil them, learn about their real-world inspirations, and see what makes them a special additions to the collection. Let's jump right in. Now let's start off with the star of today's haul, the Hot Wheels Batman 5-pack. Now this set celebrates some of the Gotham City's most unique, famous heroes and villains through unique vehicle designs. Let's start off with the Batmobile. Now for the colors and design, it features dark metallic blue body, black accents, red rimmed wheels, and low slung futuristic styling. And for the features, it features Bat-inspired bodywork, aggressive aerodynamics, and high-speed pursuit appearance. Now for the fun fact, the Batmobile has appeared in countless comics, TV shows, movies, and even video games since Batman first debuted in 1939. Let's move on to the armored truck. Now for the cars and design, it features white SWAT-style body, blue Gotham City police graphics, and armored fan appearance. And for the features, it features security vehicle styling, heavy-duty body design, and Gotham City police theme. Now for the educational fact, the real-life armored trucks like this one are designed to transport valuables like money and provides extra protection in dangerous situations. Now let's move on to the 70s fan, the Killer Croc themed fan. Now for colors and design, it features bright green body, reptile-inspired graphics, and gold wheels. And for the features, it's inspired by Batman's villain Killer Croc, rugged 1970s style fan design, and creature-themed artwork. Now for the fun fact, the Killer Croc is one of the Batman's most famous villains and is known for his reputation, appearance, and incredible strength. Let's move on to the Blvd Bruiser, the Catwoman themed car. Now for the colors and design, it features gloss black finish, yellow wheel actions, and cat themed graphics. And for the features, it's inspired by Catwoman, sleek custom muscle car appearance, and stylish villain-inspired details. Now for the educational fact, the Catwoman first appeared in Batman comics in 1940 and remains one of the DC Comics' most popular characters. And finally, we've got the Batplane. Now for the cars and design, it features dark purple body, Bat-inspired shape, and red accented wheels. And for the features, it features aircraft-inspired design, Gotham aerial patrol theme, and futuristic styling. Now for the fun fact, the Batplane has appeared in various Batman stories as Batman's high-speed aerial vehicle. Now we're moving on to the mainline vehicles, starting with the Gordon Murray Automotive T.33. This is a very special car for the channel. This Gordon Murray Automotive T.33 is particularly important because the T.33 casting was featured in our very first Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides unboxing and review video. Now for those who haven't watched this first video already, just feel free to watch it at either the end of this video or in the description below as a link. But anyone who watches that, just feel free to continue watching it. Now for the cars and design anyway. It features stunning turquoise or aqua body, black tinted windows, silver wheels, and smooth aerodynamic shape. And for the features, it features mid-engine supercar design and lightweight appearance, as well as elegant styling. Now for the educational fact, the wheel Gordon Murray T.33 was designed by legendary automotive engineer Gordon Murray himself, the same designer behind the iconic McLaren F1. And why collectors love it? It's because it's a railroad exotic supercar. It has modern engineering masterpiece, beautiful proportions, and our first channel history connection. It's amazing to see the T.33 return to the collection in a completely different color scheme. And finally, we've got the 5 alarm. Every Hot Wheels city needs emergency services like this one, and that's where the 5 alarm comes in. Now for the cars and the sign, it features bright yellow body, blue rescue equipment, fire department inspired graphics, and large ladder assembly. And for the features, it features rescue truck styling, heavy duty wheels, and emergency response theme. Now for the educational fact, the fire trucks are specially designed vehicles that carry firefighters, rescue equipment, and water to emergency situations. And the fun fact, the Hot Wheels 5 alarm is one of the Hot Wheels' most popular fancy emergency vehicles and has appeared in many different color variations over the years. So what makes this haul special? This haul combines several different worlds of Hot Wheels collecting. What we have: superheroes and villains, railroad supercars, emergency vehicles, unique colors and graphics, educational railroad inspirations, and a constant connected to the history of our channel itself. So the Batman 5-pack brings comic book action, the Gordon Murray T.33 delivers cutting-edge supercar engineering, and the 5 alarm adds rescue action to the collection. So that wraps up today's Hot Wheels haul. We've checked out the incredible Batman 5-pack. We visited our long-term favorite, the Gordon Murray Automotive T.33 in its new color, and add the heroic 5 alarm rescue truck to the collection. Now I want to hear from you as we're coming to a close of this video. So, which vehicle was your favorite? Is it the Batmobile, Killer Croc van, Catwoman Bruiser, Batplane, Gordon Murray T.33, or 5 alarm? Let me know down in the comments below. And also, if you enjoyed today's unveiling video, then please leave a like, subscribe to Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another hot-tastic Hot Wheels adventure. As always, this is Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides. Keep racing, keep collecting, and I'll see you next time here on Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides. Peace, happy collecting, and Merry Christmas in July.